Are you
welcome. I have to drive 3 hours once. I said I must come.
Thank you.
You know, you're a good man, you're a lovely person.
I love you so much.
I love you so much.
What's your trouble?
I love you so much. Welcome.
Thank you, one day.
Thank you so much for everything.
You
know, you've been doing for people, you know, people don't know that you yourself are doing for people that you need help.
Easy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I still have come and stay with you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
How's it going?
Fine.
Yes.
My majority leader. I'm not like a metal market. What a funny thing. Thank you very much. No.
Wow.
Thank you for coming to see. Even though they're very busy. We don't have at least people.
No, I'm a budget today.
I'll follow them. I'm on the TV now.
Wow.
Thank you, madam. Your younger brother. I know him. Thank you very much. For making out time. What you call my skin graft. So I caught it in the house. And the hammy bear yesterday, the process, Yamaka. So all the poor night, man. I'm managing the team for a long time. And I manage to get you have to take mayor once and for all. So.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. If we talk.
No, I'm going to do it here. And when they want to have to be so because manage with me.
I'm about someone again.
Yes,
and when you give me, yes,
yes,
I'm very proud of you.
Yes, sir.
Chuko will save you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
I don't want